All right, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, to sign this beautiful webinar. And this webinar, we are going to do market analysis. And once we have done a market analysis, and after that, I will pick your question answer, and I will try to cover maximum question answer. Okay, so let's get started. And we are going to start from the major pair: Euro USD, Gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few. After finish the webinar means the analysis, and after that I will do a quick question answer session. Okay, so if you have any question, so simply you can ask me later once I finish the market analysis, which is important for you, that what happening in a pair and what we can expect next upcoming week, right? So let's see. Just wait and watch. Okay, so we are going to start from the Euro USD pair, which is most tradable pair. And after that, I will do another one is gold and Bitcoin and Bank Nifty. Let's see what happening here in a higher time frame first, because higher time frame is important to understand what picture is saying. In a higher time frame structure, market momentum was bearish and bullish and bearish. You can see a long time market still ranging here. Okay, before this bullish move here, this was a currently bullish move, and this is a ranging. Okay, and now price is not going upside and downside. Price just creating up and down, and consolidation. And what we can expect here? So before to take any trade in a consolidation in a higher time frame, you need to change in a lower time frame to understand what happening in a lower time frame. That's important for you, because you can buy or sell for the short term, for the buy and sell, right? So right now in a Euro USD, what happening here and what we can expect here? Look at this picture here. We can understand here. You have to focus on current price action, which is very important for you, because once you focus on current price, then you can understand what is going on and what we can expect next upcoming move. Okay. So in this case, we can see here clearly that market momentum was bullish, and now again trying to create a new higher high is here, and market just looking like a reversal. Like the previous highs are broken, that create a break of structure, right? And where is our previous high? This one, right? It means this is our previous high, which is indication that if market broken this one, so we can expect some reversal to the upside, because before this move, this was a bearish, bullish and bearish, and again we are expecting some bullishness. But how we can expect? We can expect that, look at the structure here. This structure showing here again bullish and turn into bearish, and again going higher high. Why this is a higher high? Because of the previous internal structure is a broken. That means the previous high. So if market creating something like this one, which is indication that market looking for some bullishness confirmation, if market broke this low, so that means the market not able to go higher. Okay, so right now the momentum is showing that market looking for the continuation to the upside until broken the previous high, which is here. So once market broke the high, so we can expect some like bullish confirmation, right? This was a break of structure, push downside, and looking this one. This was our job inducement right here. Again, push downside, and what happened here? This was another inducement right here. After taking out the inducement, this was our first attempt when we are expecting some sell setup right here. But at this point, market not create any strong bearish indication, just create a small pullback. That means the market, if in a first attempt after taking out the inducement, if market create any bearish indication, so we can plan for the sell. Okay, if no and broke the previous high, that means market not able to push downside, which is indication that market either looking to mitigation extreme POI, or market looking for some reversal. Okay, but in this case, market is still not confirmed that market looking for reversal or tap on extreme, because there is no extreme POI, which is already tap here. You can see here, only this unmitigated shadow looks like here unmitigated, which is already tap here. So that means this is only one last extreme zone when we can expect that the market looking for the something push higher. Okay, so price tap on it, but this POI is also fair. It means this is a clear indication that market not bearish. Okay, everything looks bullish here, and you have to wait for it to create bullish structure in lower time frame as well as before the buy, right? So let's switch here in a lower time frame, then we can understand what happening here in a 1 hour time frame. Based on 1 hour time frame, this was the entire bearish momentum is here. And if everything is a bearish, okay, and simply we need some additional confirmation before the buy and create any bullish confirmation. So this is a 1 hour time frame, and as per the 1 hour time frame, this is our previous low, which was broken this one and create chalk here. So this is our chalk here. Why? Because the market momentum was bullish, and this is only the previous lower high which was broken at this point right here, lower lows and previous higher high. This is a higher high, push downside, break this low. Again, we are expecting some bullish like continuation bearish confirmation. This was another break of structure right here. And where is inducement? This is high, act like a inducement right here, right? So this is our inducement. This is our inducement pushing downside. Again, what happened here? Market again push downside and create one more peak of structure right here. Okay. And where is inducement? This one. So this is our one more inducement, which just means that this is our structure, which create lower lows, lower high, and again lower lows and lower high. And finally, market broke this low and taking out this inducement. That means this lower lows are confirmed here. But again, what happened at this point? Market broke the previous high, which one is here. That means that this high is broken, and this is a clear indication that market looking for the reversal to the upside, because market direction overall change here. So right now we can see this move happened during NFP. So right now you have to wait for it to create some bullish structure here before the buy to the upside right here. Okay, so right now if you switch here in a lower time frame, you will get nothing here. Okay. Simply you have to wait for it to create a structure like market take a pullback and something like this, taken out the inducement, and then we can buy here. Okay. So as per the 1 hour time frame, there is no clear indication for the buy. You have to wait for it to take out the inducement. Right now, there is no clear indication. Inducement is here. So once market create any kind of like inducement, so we can plan for the buy to the upside in a Euro USD. So this is a possible scenario in a Euro USD as per the 1 hour time frame. And overall structure looking for something change in a bullish bearish to bullish market in a higher time frame as well as and lower time frame also showing bullish indication, as you know, market create shock. So we can say that in a upcoming week and months, possibly market can go higher in a Euro USD as per the higher time frame and lower time frame as well as. Okay. So now let's switch here in a another time. Another pair is a gold, which is most tradable pair. In a gold is a similar story. Okay, but problem is here in a gold is a drop and Euro USD is a rise. Okay, due to NFP, this move happened when market create any kind of like USD. So basically USD impact on all major currency pair. Okay, because USD dominate all market, right? So what happening here as per the higher time frame and lower time frame? Let's look at this one in a higher time frame first. Firstly, I need to switch here in a 1 day time frame. Based on 1 day time frame, market almost on top right here. So if market momentum is a continuation, is a higher high, and right now what we can expect? Simply we can expect that if market continue going higher high, and simply you have to wait for it to take out the inducement, then we can buy. Okay. So right now there is no clear indication for the buy and sell. Okay. So simply you need to switch here in a 1 hour time frame to check here there is any lower time frame or confirmation is available or not. 1 hour also similar looks here like bullish structure here. If I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happened here. This is our 15-minute clear structure here. We can see very clearly this is our structure here. Look at this one. This was a structure here and everything was bullish as per the 50-minute time frame. And in a 50-minute time frame, we can see if market looking for the buy to the upside. So simply we need to take out the inducement in a first time. If market not able to taken out the inducement, sorry, after taking out the inducement and not able to going higher high and downs, uh, lower lows after taking out the inducement. So price possibly market up on extreme PY. Let me show you exactly on rank. Then you can understand what I'm trying to explain here. Right. If market momentum is a bullish, right? And what happened here? Simply we are looking for the buy after taking out this inducement right here. But in a first time, if market not able to go higher due to some reason, if market push downside, that means this lows are broken. That means This inducement is not valid here for the buy again, right? Now, what you should do in this case, you should wait for it to tap on extreme PY. So once price tap on it, so we can plan for the buy to the upside like this one, right? It means if price tap on it in a first time and market creating bullish structure, so we can plan for the buy, otherwise no, right? Okay, because if market actually looking for the buy to the upside, so must market basically after taking out the investment, market creates some bullish confirmation. If no, that means market looking for to mitigation on extreme PY, market looking for some grab more liquidity before to push higher and push downside, right? So this is exactly happening here. Look at this one. And this is a previous structure here. At this point, we can see very clearly after taking out the inducement, market just push higher in a first time, again break the structure, and after break the structure, same thing happening here. So this was internal structure technically, actually, right here, right? Mitigation and going higher high. Same thing happening here. First time, if market push higher, so we can buy. If market trying to fail, that means this PY is a fail and looking for to extreme PY mitigation. So this was extreme, but this time is also miss to mitigation. If market fails, so we can directly plan for the buy. And this is a not exact any fixed rule like market will test mitigate 100%. No, it's all about probability. You have to think in a probability side. Right. So this is exactly happening here. Break the structure, pushing higher high. And again, what are you looking here? Simply, we are looking for the buy, taken out the investment. If market not taken out the investment, so in a first time, market going higher high. So if market looking for the buy to the upside in a first time, so we can buy. But if market broke this low, that means market not able to go higher and break this low. That means we can sell till extreme PY mitigation. So once press tap on it, so we can plan for the buy to the upside, right? Break the structure this low, grab the liquidity. This is called terminal liquidity. Is a grab here, break the high. So this entire zone act like a PY, break this one, mitigation and buy. Again going higher high, break the structure. We are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement. So where is inducement in this case? You have to identify there is any like any pullback is here. This one. I think this one. Let me check here. Yes, this one looks like here. Right. This is a valid pullback here, taken out this one, and we can plan for the buy to the upside. So this is a simple process that if market taken out the inducement, so we can plan for the buy in the first time. If fail, then you have to wait for it taken out the extreme. So this is our structure here. And look at this one, previous higher high and higher low, again creating higher high. I think this one is not taken out. So we can consider this one higher high. And this one is our chop. After Chok, we are looking for the investment. So there is any investment available or not? Yes, of course. Right now, we can see this is only one pullback is there that we can consider as an investment. If market not able to push higher and market went down, so this pullback become our next investment. So we can suddenly plan for the sell after taking out this one in a first time. If no, then you have to wait for it to taken out the extreme. So what happened if price not taken out this one, but price creating like this structure, so we can trade here for the buy or sell or yes or no? Of course we can, because this move act like a counter trend. So if market create any kind of thing in a bullish structure, in a bearish structure like this one, break the high, that means this is our normal structure going higher high, creating a small pullback, again going higher high, taken out the inducement. Once market taken out the inducement and create starting bullish structure, so we can plan for the buy to the upside, right? So this is a very simple thing is here, and we can set this area as a target. So this is a counter trend buy here, if possible, if market creates something like this one. If no, so how we can like plan here? For example, if market technically looking for the sell, first time going higher high but fail, that means this inducement act like a PI and we can sell. This is the target. So this will be process for the buy and sell. Simply you have to wait for it to take out the inducement, and if inducement create any bullish confirmation, so we can buy. Otherwise, you have to wait for it to create a structure shifting bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. So we can decide where is market going on, right? So this is a possible scenario in a gold based on 15-minute time frame. and simply you have to wait for it to create a structure before the buy and sell, right? Now let's switch here in another one is a Bitcoin. A lot of members trade in a Bitcoin. Bitcoin market create new all-time high. One more time is here, right? Again, this one is a sweep liquidity here, something like this one. Market just sweeping the liquidity and again liquidity and liquidity and liquidity, right? So basically, these type of thing happening when market break the previous high low because a lot of people are trying to sell and buy after break the previous high. If market like anybody is selling here, then putting the stop just off the high and break this one. So we are planning for the buy, right? Because of the breakout structure. But market tap on this one and market going higher high, but we are not expecting that price can create a new all-time high because we are expecting that price must be created on this demand zone which was created here, right? So once price tap on it, so which was a very good zone for the buy, but price not came back this point, and we are waiting for to mitigate this zone before the next bull market, right? So this was expected move here once price tap on it, but price not tap here and create like a bullish and price went up, right? So right now, what we can expect here? Look at this structure here. As per this structure here, what are you looking here? Simply, we can see price in our trading in a range like this one. As you can see, same thing happening here. Price just creating this range, and possibly in this case, you will see sometime bullish momentum, sometime bearish momentum because of the volatility. In that case, in a Bitcoin, in a crypto market, is a use volume in this way, right? So simply, if you would like to buy or sell for the like as a day trading perspective, so you can. If you would like to looking for the investment purpose for the longer run, so I don't think you have to buy on a top, right? So you have to wait for it always or create a any strong pullback before the buy and sell, right? When you buy in a discount price, so you can make a good profit, right? So this is happening here in a Bitcoin, and this is our 1 hour time frame. Let's switch here in a 1 hour time frame. This is our 1 hour time frame, and we can check here. There is anything happening here based on 1 hour time frame, and what we can expect here as a day trading perspective. Because not for the longer run, because in a longer run there is no clear perspective here for the buy and sell, right? Because price already grabbed the previous all time high. Okay, as per the previous bit all time after break the previous all time high and based on 1 hour time frame market momentum was bullish turn into again bearish, again bullish and again bearish, and this is a very deeper pullback to the downside. So probably what are you looking here based on 1 hour time frame, we can see very clearly that market momentum is a bearish. So when market momentum is a bearish, simply we are looking for the something like different thing, previous structure higher high, break this low, create job, pushing downside, create new low, taken out the inducement. In a first attempt, just market grab the liquidity, push downside, break this one. Again, taken out the inducement, lower lows here, and this is a lower high, break this one. And what are you looking here? Simply, we are looking for the sell after taking out this inducement. In a first attempt, if no, then again went up to mitigate this order flow. So we can plan for this sell here. So basically, we have a two zone here when we can plan for this sell. In a first time, if market create here in a lower time frame, so we can sell. Otherwise, if market went up to break the previous high, so that means you have to wait for it to tap on extreme. So we can sell here. So basically, we have a two PY after taking out the inducement before the sell. And remember, one more thing is here. I want to clear that if market just broke the previous high low close or not, doesn't matter. In a both scenario, this is a valid here. Okay. Look at this one. As you can see in a first attempt, just sweep this one. So this is a valid chalk or not? Of course, this one is a valid chalk. Break the structure candle close. So this one is also valid. This one is a sweep here. So this is a valid. Of course, this one is a valid. So in each scenario, the break of the structure in a higher time frame is a valid here, right? So this one is a scenario here, and let's check here bank nifty chart that what happening in a bank nifty, and after that I will start question answer. Bank Nifty is creating all-time high and going upside and downside. Same move is here. And overall, if you see the structure is a continue market going higher high and pushing upside. So what are you looking here? Look at this one. Price, if you can check here in a 15-minute time frame as a day trading perspective, 15 minutes are enough because market open for few hours. So market was, this was bearish momentum here overall, right? And market trying to go higher and recover to the upside, but not able to create new high. And this is exactly the previous, as per the 15-minute time frame, this was structure create here. Okay, but as per the 15-minute time frame, what happening here? This is an inducement because this is a first pullback is here, right? And before this one, this was chalk create here because this lower lows break the structure, pushing downside, another lower lows taken out the inducement, but chalk create here, chalk create here. So simply we need inducement. So where is inducement in this case? Simply we can see there is any pullback is here. Yes, after taking out the inducement, if market going higher high, so we can buy. But problem is here, market broke this low. That means market are not able to go higher and market looking for the sell till extreme PY. So this is our next PI when we can expect that market can tap on this one. So we can expect some bullishness confirmation if market hold this zone here, right here, right? So once price tap on it, so we can plan for the buy. But this before this buy, market must be taken out this inducement right here and create any bearish confirmation. So we can plan for the sell. Taken out this one, structure shifting and sell. Right. So this one is a possible scenario in a bank nifty as per the 15-minute time frame, and you have to wait for it to take out the inducement before the buy or sell. This is a 15-minute time frame, and maybe in a 5-minute and 1-minute time frame is a different story because in every time frame it's a different story, and it totally depends on you that which time frame is suitable for you. Maybe you are using 1-minute and 5-minute, and maybe you are using 15-minute time frame. Okay, but I'm just giving you a medium time frame which is suitable for everyone. You can understand that what happening in a medium time frame and what we can expect if market create any bullish or bearish confirmation after taking out the inducement of the higher time frame and medium time frame, right? All right, so I think the everything is clear for you, and I make all analysis on in all major pair. Now let's back on your question answer, and I will respond you as much as possible for me, and let's read one by one. And please don't do spam, otherwise system automatically detect you and you will be banned from Zoom, right? So if you have a question, simply you can ask. Please explain lower time frame. For the lower time frame, I already make a video on it. So simply you can watch my YouTube channel where I upload all about the entry explanation in lower time frame. How use session indicator? Simply you can use a session indicator. Just apply on it. This is a very basic thing. Look at this one, right? And this is working in all currency pair. Look at this one. The sweep means boss. Of course, if market sweep or if close in a both scenario is a pilot break of structure. And I already make a video on it that all about the new structure mapping. So you can watch them. It is working out in a 1 hour time frame. It's working in all time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour, 50 minute, every time frame. Can we check the PST? No more analysis, and analysis already done. I'm just reading your question answer and I will respond you. Which pair does your strategy work best? Work in all strategy, all pair, any market, right? Don't you say that price must be close of the boss, not just the sweep? Because those are old videos and the few things are upgraded. And I already make a video on it past few week ago. So you should watch them before to comment here. Right. Okay. Do you trade based on session? Not now. I was trading based on session because right now I'm working on based on structure and structure liquidity. That's enough. Means the inducement. I basically follow the structure and inducement and PY mitigation and lower time frame entry. Simple. When to set our break even, so it totally depend on structure. When market breaks something like structure, then I put my stop loss on break even. And if you set any fixed 2 hour 3 hour setup, so you should wait for it to break like push downside and upside more than 1 hour, then you can put your stop loss on break even. So there are few way to put your stop loss on break even. How to set session? Session is setting as a by default. You don't need to do anything. Simply apply on it and you will see automatically on your chart. Please give an idea for the beginners. For the beginners, you should first understand the market, study as much possible, and backtest yourself. Please ask one by one. I'm not able to read your question. Why do you say content fail if the IDM fail that the content? But I never seen that in your account in Extreme order flow. In the lower time frame structure content is a fail. That means structure fail to. Why don't you consider extreme or structure as a fail? I did not understand what are you trying to say. If you are asking about the inducement, so once price taken out the inducement in a first attempt, right? So we can plan for the buy or sell. If those inducement again break, that means this inducement is a fail, and we can plan for the buy or sell till extreme PY. And I already make a video on it where I explain that higher time frame anti module, right? So you should watch this video, which is very helpful for everyone. How to identify a pullback? So to identification of the valid pullback, I already make a video. Please, if anybody new here, you should watch my YouTube channel and browse a lot of topic I already covered. So you should watch them one by one. I'm very sure that you will get a lot of answer automatically. Can you explain internal and external equity? Internal and external equity both are similar thing, right? External means measure structure. If market break the previous higher low taken out the inducement, that's called liquidity. Simple. Mean the previous every higher low that's act like a intern like liquidity. Okay. But if market creating between the higher high and higher low, right? That's called internal. Internal means the structure creating between the mean higher low. That's called internal, and every high and low act like a liquidity. Every session high and low act like a liquidity. That's it. Liquidity means that everyone buy willing to buy or sell after break something like any level, like previous structure, high or low. Look at this one. For example, this one is a previous higher high. What is this? This is a liquidity point. This is a external liquidity. The previous high is a create here, and this is a previous low. Market break the previous low. This is a, what is this? This is a liquidity. Means this one is also liquidity. What is this? This one is also liquidity. Means this one again take a pullback. This is a liquidity. Again take a pullback. This is a liquidity. Main high or low, liquidity. Previous highs are broken, liquidity. Means that every main high or low is a liquidity. Why? Because when market break this low, so everyone trying to sell here. A lot of people trying to sell here because of the previous lows are broken. Okay, and some people buy already here. They put the stop loss just over it. That's why market grab both side liquidity. Right. What indicator to use? This is a indicator of the market session. MKT sessions like this. Can we check your GPST? No, sir. I already told you that no more analysis in this webinar. We have done already few pairs. So if you join late, you can watch later, and the rest pair I will cover in the next upcoming weekly webinar. Can you post this webinar on YouTube? Yes, sir. I will, once I finish the webinar, then I will upload on YouTube. You can watch later anytime. No worry. Can I enter after chalk without NDM? First thing, remember, chalk means the only not like structure is shifting. No, you need to take some additional confirmation, and additional confirmation means that you have to wait for it to taken out the investment, which is very important for you. Once market taken out the investment in higher time frame, that's very high probability that market looking for the buy and sell as per your plan, right? So investment will gives you more additional confirmation before the buy and sell. Order flow 15 minute मैपिंग करो सर 15 मिनट हो या 1 मिनट हो या फिर 5 मिनट हो सब में सेम रहता है आई ऑलरेडी मेक ए वीडियो ऑन इट सो सिंपली यू कैन वॉच देम अबाउट द ऑटो फ्लो मिटिगेशन you can watch my Hindi YouTube channel Logic Trading where I uploaded everything. Lower time frame without I in a lower time frame can enter without IDM after choke. No sir. IDM is important in higher time frame and lower time frame as well as. I am big fan you. Okay. Sir, I follow 1:2 hour trade when it's a good time to put your stop loss on break even point. One market running more than 1 hour, right? Then you can put your stop loss on break even. Okay. Please ask one by one, then I can read your question because there are a lot of question answer within minutes. अब ट्रेंड मार्केट में लो स्वीप करके ऊपर जा सकता है क्यों नहीं जा सकता बिल्कुल जा सकता है प्लीज सजेस्ट बुक फॉर लेटेस्ट SMC learning there is no SMC book remember okay If you are thinking that Boss, Chalk, and Order Block, these type of the book are available, right? There is no. Everything is created by yourself, okay, and someone created, right, with your experience. But there is no book written by anyone that who mentioned that the boss chalk or the block like this thing, because the old book, if you understand the big traders and they explain all about their trading psychology and trading strategy, they explain about the how things actually working, all about the mindset and psychology of the big traders and compared to the retail traders. That's the big difference. Main thing is a psychology in a smart money concept, price action indicator everywhere. There is no fixed strategy which will makes you profitable. It's all about your mindset and psychology, how much you are capable to handle your loss and profit. If you are able to handle your situation with your support stand, indicator, or anything, you can be a profitable, right? But if you are not a patience, like discipline, and the not able to handle that situation in a winning side and losing side, and you have a lack of passion, so very highly chances if you are trading any profitable system like 90% 95% winning system, I'm sure that end of the month you will be in a loss because of the psychology is a very important part in a trading. Please check NES 100, sir. The NES 100 and other analysis is not possible. Which pair you like to trade? You like, sir, only one or you have multi pair? So there are many pairs, but right now I'm trading in a with Aussie USD in this day, right? So you can trade any pair. Like it depend on you that which pair is suitable for you, and you should backtest the five top pair, and then you can decide which pair is suitable for you. Like GP USD, Aussie USD, GP, JPY, right? USD JPY. So there are a lot of pair here. Answer how to determine the failure of the quintessential PI. Sir, I already mentioned that if market taken out the inducement, that's your PY. Okay. And again, those PIs are failed. That means that those PIs are failed. Okay. So I already make a video on it. Right. You should watch them. I recently uploaded on YouTube. Once price taken out the inducement and after taking out the inducement in the first time, if market push downside, this is our working. But if this one is a broke again, this decisional pair is a failed. You have to wait for it, tap on extreme PY, right? Like this one. Simple. So we need a video on liquidity concept with your anti-technique. Okay, I will make a video on it. Can you show me example on a flip example? For the flip anti model, I already make a video. Why are you not watching them? Flip is a very simple concept. The demand convert into supply, supply convert into demand. Simple. All right, everyone. So now I'm going to finish this webinar, and the if anybody is joined late, so simply you can watch this webinar, and if you have any question, right? So simply you can ask in a comment section, and I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. So if you have a question or anything, simply you can uh, comment in a video section. Then I will watch them and I will make a video on it. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice great weekend, everyone. Thank you so much.